Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome. Welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to my old subscribers. Well, family and friends, because that's what I consider you. Welcome. Um, this one is I have a few videos to do today, so you're gonna get bombarded with a whole bunch of videos because I'm not gonna, well, anyway. This one is Boovember, so I'm gonna talk about a hat I made. I didn't make notes, and talk about a few things, and there's some clips. I realized after I started putting the video together that the clip of my old house was not not on my phone. LJ had recorded it on his phone. It was still there. So it will be on this one. And LJ recorded his ride home from work, a little clip of it the other day because we had frozen fog. Sounds like a good drink. But anyway, so that will be in there. I don't know if you can see Lucy, but Lucy might make an appearance today. That's Lucy. I don't know what Haggard's up to, but you never know. My twin daughter's birthday is tomorrow, so there's that. They're gonna be 22. I don't know how I feel about that because they're my babies. My oldest one, she felt like she was grown when she came out the womb. So yeah. I'll talk about the beanie I made. I had someone ask for a purple slouchy hat. I do not remember who this is by, but I will link it because I really liked it. I really liked this pattern. Like, I think it's cool, and I will make quite a few others, and I love it in the ombre yarn. I think that came out spectacular. And so yes, I will link that. But that is for an order. So there's that. I was going to show y'all, I need another bottle before they quit selling it for the season. LJ got me this the other day, Hemp's pumpkin spice and vanilla chai. I love the smell of pumpkin spice, and it's not hugely pumpkin spicy. You can smell the pumpkin spice, but it's got a nice little perfumey scent too. Of course, hemp, so it's natural. Anyway, it's good for you. My hands are a lot softer since I've been using them, and of course they smell good. So, win-win. So there's this. They also have a peppermint one that I want really bad. So I love peppermint. Peppermint and pumpkin spice are like my two favorite scent. Okay, not my favorite scent. If you make me pick an all-time favorite scent, it is the smell of like a fireplace. But as far as like for lotion and stuff, and okay, so I love the candy cane chapstick, my all-time favorite chapstick. And so I want to see if I enjoy the smell of the lotion as much. And then there's this, and I love it. So not sponsored by Hemp's, but if they wanted to, they could sponsor me, send me a case, something. So there's that. Okay, now to kind of the spooky part of Boovember. I was gifted these from the Crochet Witch. Her name is Heather. I'm going to do one of the Halloween 2s, one of the monsters, and one of the gremlins, because she gave me all three, so I'm going to do one of each today. Let's see what's in Halloween 2. It is a keychain. Oh, I love that. He looks real laid back. Let me take him out of the plastic so y'all can see him. He will go on one of my bags. I don't have a lot of bags that have zippers, but he will go on a bag. Somehow, some way, he'll go on there. Sorry for the crinkle. I don't have anything to put behind him, but maybe I can. Is
That's neat. Good? Yeah.
I love it. I love it a lot. Because y'all know, Michael's my boo thing. I mean, I love Captain Amazing, but Michael's my boo. So, I like it. Let's see what's in the Monsters one. Yes. So, it is the Wolfman shoestrings, which would go really good in a bag. Just saying. So, could make me a bag, a drawstring bag. I'm also going to try to sew me some bags, so awesomeness. Let's see what's in the Gremlins one. Oh, this can go on my... Okay, my whip caddy's not in here. It's still in the van. It's a magnet. Let me open it. I'm enjoying these, Heather. I will link her down below. I am really enjoying these. Like, I know I'm just now back to doing them, but I can't wait to... Okay, maybe I won't get it off. I am challenged sometimes. I'm have a few problems every once in a while getting stuff open. Yes, so, okay. Oh, that's not going to work as well as... Look at Gizmo! Isn't he cute?
I'm trying to get it to focus real quick. Hold on a minute. There he is. Aw.
He's so... I love Gizmo. Okay, so... Oh, in my cup today... Don't get offended, y'all, but I love this. I got it at... Was it Spencer's?
I think it was, yeah.
Spencer's on clearance after Christmas one year. It's my favorite Christmas mug. I don't have a lot of Christmas mugs because that's not really my jam. Halloween is, but if I'm gonna use a Christmas mug, it's gonna be funny. So there you go. I do have a tea glass, a clear one that I will show y'all, you know, during Vlogmas. Speaking of Vlogmas, gonna run right into that one. So we are going to, okay, well, we are, because he does it with me. I am doing a 12 Days of Christmas swap with Bella, a Christmas Advent 24, 25 days, anyway, swap with Melody from Melody's Cozy Crochet. I was trying to put cat in there, and Bella is Bella's Crochet Gifts. I will link them both below. I am supposed to be doing a swap with a subscriber. She doesn't have a channel. We were supposed to do one at Halloween time. Things got all mixed up, so it will be a Halloween, which great. We're making December spooky too. And I'm doing a swap with a 7-day swap, like 7 days leading up to New Year's after Christmas, with the Yarn Hag, Ryan. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Shouldn't have took that drink of coffee. So I'm excited. Also, I had someone say we should do Boo-sember, and that's great. Trisha and I are going to... Trisha from Trisha's Creative Treasures, she'll be linked down below. Rainy, my cousin from No Idle Hands, she'll be linked down below. And I believe Melody, I think she said she was going to do the blanket with us. So Melody from Melody's Cozy Crochet are going to do a crochet along. We're going to do a granny chevron or granny ripple blanket. I've never done a ripple blanket at all, so I'm kind of excited about that. Mine is going to be... So here's the thing. I don't know if I'm going to call it Boo-sember or We Wish You a Scroogey Grinchmas, because Scrooge and the Grinch are my two favorite Christmas characters. Okay. So how about we vote? And whichever one, vote for Boo-sember in the comments, say Boo-sember. And then if you would like a Scroogey Grinchmas, put that in the comments, and whichever one wins, that's what we will do. But my blanket is going to be Grinch colors, like that bright green, red, you know, bright red and white. And so I'm excited about that. There's something else I was going to talk about. Oh, remember I was talking about a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So here's the deal. My twin's birthday is this month. Next month is Christmas. So how about, and I'm supposed to be doing a giveaway with my cousin, which I have to do a video on. So how about we do the 1,000 subscriber giveaway in January? Like start 2023 out with a bang. And that's the month I'll do my giveaway. What do y'all think? Okay. LJ says yes. So apparently the only person here to vote says yes. So, okay, that's what it'll be. I'm going to have, I will try to do a video tomorrow, but for sure I will try to do, I don't know if I can get people to get in the video, but I will do video of at least my sister's Christmas trees because she loves Christmas and she's got 2 trees this year. And so I will try to videotape those. Um, and just little photos and stuff throughout. So there's that. And I think that's all. I will link everyone I said I was going to link down below. And like I said, keep watching because there'll be a couple clips. One of them, the foggy one, is LJ's ride home the other morning. And then the other one is my house, the house that I lived in from like sophomore year till my senior year, and then moved back home a few times when I messed up. And then my parents had to move out because my dad getting sick and stuff. They were buying, it's a long story, more than this video needs, but long story short, my dad worked all his life and ended up losing the house when he got sick and couldn't work anymore. So, and we weren't behind on payments. I'm not good. Anyway, don't get emotional, Neva. I am still going to do a Mental Health Monday today, and I'm going to do the tutorial for the scrunchie. I think those are the only videos I need to do today. I know today is Tuesday, but I'm going to do it because I feel like I need to get that done before I forget what I wanted to talk about. Because, yeah, that happens. And so, oh, and the movie. I forgot. I was going to tell you a movie on Sunday. The movie we watched was, oh my God, I forgot what it was.
Sherlock Gnomes?
Yes, Sherlock Gnomes. Now, if y'all don't like gnomes, you don't have to watch it. I mean, you don't have to watch what I say anyway. It's on Freebie. I loved it because I love Sherlock Holmes, and it was very cute. And there's so many puns that LJ just thought he loves puns. And so if you like puns, ignore the gnome part. If you like puns, if you like Sherlock Holmes, or if you love gnomes, those are 3 reasons to watch this movie. It was adorably cute. So there you go. So it is on Freebie, the app I was telling y'all about in Vlogtober. Okay. So y'all, I will be back, but until I come back, stay groovy and spooky and creepy and and geeky, all the things that makes you strange in our world nowadays. I love y'all, and I hope you'll watch the movie. Mwah. So that's the house I spent my teenage years in, y'all. That it's sad because it's all boarded up and fallen down now, but yeah, we had to leave there. Okay, you can stop now, babe.
Wow, man, it's cloudy. I mean, foggy. Very foggy.